What is going on, guys? This is Coach Forex, aka GBP Emperor, aka Emperor of Blues. In today's video, I'm going to try my best to teach you how to get started in Forex trading under 5 minutes. Yes, I mean it, 5 minutes. So before anything else, I have a very exciting news for you. Now, I've been planning to do this video for a long time, but it has been quite difficult because MT4, MetaTrader 4, which is like the trading platform that we traders use on our mobile version, was removed from the App Store, which is the Apple Play Store. So because of that, we're not really able to download it, and then we're not able to tell new beginners to also find a way to download it. If you had it on your phone previously, you would have been able to still use it. But since it was unlisted, that means that any new entrant couldn't have gone on the Apple Store and then download it. But the exciting news is that it is back, right? So MetaTrader 4 is back. So now I can be able to go ahead and teach you the tutorials on how to get started in Forex trading in under 5 minutes. Now, first thing first, if you want to get started in Forex trading, then number one thing that you need is a broker, right? A broker serves like a bank. Just like if you want to do any financial transaction, you need a bank. You cannot do a financial transaction without having like a bank. So the same with trading. If you want to get started in Forex trading, you need a broker. And I have a link in the description for you to sign up with the broker that I use, right? So first things first, broker. Now, if you click on the link, it should take you to a page like this, which is like XNES, join, blah, blah, blah. And then you have to just sign up, right? So signing up is pretty simple. It takes you under 2 minutes, less than 1 minute to actually sign up, right? Once you're done with signing up, you can actually log in, right? If you log in, you're going to see that your account is not really verified, right? Now, mine is verified, so obviously I'm not going to have the same details as yours. And you need to get your account verified in order to have smooth transaction, right? Just like a bank account, you cannot just go and open a bank account without getting your proof of residence and then, your location available or details like that to the bank. So in trading as well, you need to also be able to send across those information to the broker, which is like your proof of residence and your identification card, right? Which is like your voter's ID card or national identification card, anything that identifies you. And your proof of residence can come in the form of your bank statement or your utility bill, right? So you get that sorted, then your account is verified. If you're from Ghana and you have an issue with that, you can also DM me and then I'm going to assist you with that as well. You can DM me on Instagram at Forex, or you can DM me on Telegram at Forex. I'll put a Telegram link below as well. Once we have that out of the way, the next thing we can do is just what? Create an account. So think about creating an account as like maybe your bank is EcoBank or Standard Bank, but you have an account number, right? So in trading too, even though you have a brokerage account, you have to have a trading account inside the brokerage account. So you come here, right? We have the real, we have the demo, we have the archive if you've archived anyone. So we're going to start straight away with the real account. So I'm going to open a real account and then show you how it goes. So first you have to open the real account here, right? You can choose standard cents, raw spread. If you plan or intend on trading about $500, then you can do any of these professional account. But anything under $500, then you can use the standard account. So you open a real account, then you choose what MT4, which is the one that I'm telling you about. You can see that I've already checked the real account here. You can choose leverage. I'll recommend that you choose leverage of 1:400 for now. Explain it later. And then we can make the account currency Ghana cedis because I'm from Ghana, right? So I want to demonstrate it for you to be able to follow as well. Then you can choose an account nickname as well. So we can call this what? Emperor of Blues. Emperor. Let's just call it Emperor account, right? Then we can create a password, right? So password as well. Let's go. Right, now that is done, out of the way, you just create. So you can see that what? The new Emperor account has been created here, but it has no money at all in it, right? It has no money at all in it. Now, how do you go about to put money in it? You can just put money in it by coming to the deposit side. Right now, you can see that we have several options where you can put money. You can use a Skrill, you can use mobile money, we can use bank transfer, Bitcoin, and stuff like that. Now, obviously, if you're from Ghana, mobile money will come as easy to you. So let's look at this. If we click on the mobile money, we can choose the account we just created, which is this one, which is also showing in the Ghana cedis, right? So now you can deposit anywhere between 128 Ghana cedis to 4,216 Ghana cedis into your account. I already have some money in my account, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to push some funds in there so that it shows you on the app as well how it's going to appear. So once you're done with this part, then it comes to the app part, right? So obviously you would need to download the app, and I'm going to demonstrate quickly to you how you download the app and you connect your trading account that you've created in the brokerage account into the app, and then you see the balance that you have in there, and then how you're going to even trade as well. Now, before we even get into the app part, there's another detail that is very important, you knowing into the details about the account you've created, right? So you have to click on this settings button here and you come to what? Account information. This part right here is very important. So you can see that what your account server is XNES 06. Then you can see that this is your login details. The nickname of the account is Emperor. The account type is standard, leverage, and everything that you choose, right? So obviously you're going to remember your own password, but what you need the most is a login and then the server, because you're going to need it when we get to the app part, right? So remember these details. Now, to get the app on your phone, all you have to do is go to your Play Store, right? So as my Play Store, you just go to the Play Store and then you search MetaTrader 4. So you can see it already appeared here. So you click on MetaTrader 4. Because I have it already, then it appears. But if you don't have it, then you have to just download it, right? Now when you download it, you come to MetaTrader 4. This is how it's going to appear, right? So you can see MetaTrader 4 here. Now, how do you add the account? Before you add the account, you just click on MetaTrader 4. This is the iPhone version. This is how it's going to appear. So you can see these buttons that I have down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Click on the settings part. Once you click on the settings part, it's going to lead you to where you see various accounts that you've logged in. But because you haven't logged in on any account before, what you do is that you click on this small arrow here, and then it shows that this plus button is here. So you click on the plus button to add a new account. So because you have also created the account already, you go on to logging into an existing trading account because you've already created the account in the brokerage platform. So you click on the existing trading account. Then you have to come here and search what Xness Rail 6, right? So realize that what our server was Rail 6. This is the part that most people get confused about. So being that our server was Rail 6, we click on the server Rail 6. Then we enter the account number, right, that we set. Remember the account number, which is what 1616333980, right? And then the password, which obviously I'm the only one that knows it. And then we sign in. So once you sign in, you realize that what now this is Ghana cedis, the account is 0. So I'm going to push some funds into it right now. Let's see how it appears, right? Imagine that you're doing this with a mobile money as well. That's how it's going to appear as well. So let's transfer some funds. So you can clearly see that what the amount has reflected, which is $100 being converted into 1,265 Ghana cedis. Now you're ready to trade, right? Now, since you're ready to trade, obviously you do not know any technical analysis that's going to allow you to trade. That's why you have to click in the link in the description to join my Forex Telegram community, because at that point I'm going to be giving you free trades so that you can be able to make your trade decisions, so that I can be able to make the trade decisions for you for now until you learn the technical analysis aspect of the market. So once you're in the free community, how you're going to be able to take a trade is that we're obviously going to be using our Telegram group to send out trades. So we have our Forex Telegram group being displayed here. It has over 60,953 members, right? And then if you go on from here, from join the Telegram group, the free Telegram group, you can be able to also join our Forex Xness VIP group, where people who have signed up with Xness and be able to go ahead to verify their accounts, get to join our community for free, and then we send them trade signals for them to make money. You can see the history in the community as well, a lot of profits going on there. So this is a typical way in which we send our trade. If it's a sell, we say sell GBP at, we always trade instant execution, right? So sell GBP at 1.20, blah blah blah, and then take profit. You want to punch in the same numbers, and stop loss you want to also punch in the same numbers, right? So for the purpose of this example, let's just choose that we're trading Euro USD, right? So you come to Euro USD, you click on the chart, right? So you see what I did there. Click on Euro USD, you click on the chart. When you click on the chart, it's going to allow you to see exactly how the chart is looking at any point that you want to trade it, right? So if you want to trade Euro USD, you see here at the top here, there's written trade. So you click on trade, then you click on the lot size that you want to use, right? So being that I just started this account with $1,000, I can trade it anywhere from 0.05 all the way to like 0.1, right? So let's say I'm trying to trade Euro USD 0.1, right? So 0.05. So I put 0.05 there, right? Or let's even put 0.1. So I put 0.1 there, and then maybe the trade is telling me to buy, right? So what do? I set my stop loss, which is exactly what I may have sent to you, set the exact values there, and then you set the take profit, the exact values here as well, right? So for the purpose of this example, I've not determined the stop loss and take profit, so I just want to show you how it's done. Now that you've done that, then you can go ahead to click either the sell or buy, then the trade will be executed instantly. So let's go buy. This trade has been executed. As you can see at the very bottom, you can see what buy 0.1 running, and then this is the trading account, right? So it's currently in a little loss of 12 Ghana cedis, and then there's no history because obviously I've not closed any trade. So this trade is going to be running until it goes into profit or goes into my stop loss region, right? So if it goes into profit, how am I going to close it? I can just swipe up like this, swipe to the left like this, click on this one, this check mark here, and then you can see what close with a loss. Now it's in a loss, so obviously we won't want to close. But if it's a profit, then we would have closed with this profit right here, right? So that's exactly how you become a trader. Now, if you want to withdraw, so all you got to do is go back to the brokerage platform and then click on what, withdraw. And then once you go onto the withdraw button, the very place that you use to deposit is where you're going to also use to withdraw. So if you use mobile money to deposit, obviously you're going to withdraw through mobile money, and then the same means as well, right? So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was very straightforward and simple. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Before anything, I'll click in the link in the description to join the Telegram community. As I've said it already, smash the like button, because today's sponsor of this video is the like button as well. And follow me on all social media at KOJOFREX, especially Instagram, on Twitter. I'm super active on there. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, because I'm going to bring you amazing content like this. Without wasting my time, I want to see you guys in the next video. Peace.